bird dog with resistance. You can use the resistance band or dumbbell this exercise. Little bit variation the bird dog. I remind you first the bird dog. We do here the tabletop, knee to hips, raise the shoulder, relax the shoulder, lean forward, feeling the core, and then open up and close. So we do modify bird dog with the weighted or resistance band. So first relax, first I show you without any weight, and I'm extending my right leg back, but the left arm lateral open. First start with this. When you feel, okay, I can do this more, so try it a few more the other side. The goals here, we don't want to shift the body as possible. We want to keep the back neutral as possible. So you're neutral, basically keeping the back steady position without curling, without the arching excessively. So we use the, first I show you the single dumbbell. Holding the dumbbell here, the same position. Set first, feel free to do tuck your toes under or this position. I find that this position much easier for the balance, but feel free to try out which way is the better for you. So here I'm opening the arms out and legs extend same time. Five, I show you other side. Don't worry about the repetition. We go to the 8 to 10 repetition range normally and depend on your program. Five. So if you like to use the resistance band, the same thing. Put the resistance band, press on it, the hands, and of course use the resistance band, the strength for you, the suitable one. So holding here, same thing. Other side. And I like to show you the both variations. So I did my toes not to tuck under the here point position. Great exercise for stability, strengthen the lower back and feel the core as much you can. So feel the work in the transverse abdominals more stability the core and more stability the glutes as well. Enjoy.